Today, we're updating the most early 2000s thing about this car, and I think it's the steering wheel. We're taking out the old stock one and we're replacing it with this. This is a carbon fiber steering wheel from Overtake Auto, and I'm thrilled to finally put this thing in. So, the first thing we have to do is disconnect this battery, but since it's wintertime here in Ohio, it was just sitting on a trickle charger, so I just unplugged that, let it sit here for about a half hour or so. That way there's no electricity hopefully going to that airbag, because if there is, then this video goes viral for a whole different reason, and it's not going to be good. Now that the old steering wheel's off, I can't seem to find where I put the new one. Yep, there it is, all the way in the back. I think it said 30 foot-pounds of torque, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the torque wrench out and then get this all tightened down.
Just stay away from all the things you said. I'm losing my head, but in a way I like it, babe. I'm losing touchy feelings might come down from the ceiling.
So let me know what you guys think. Does it look good? Should I have kept the old wheel? Are you guys Corvette purists where you're like, stop changing stuff? Or, you know, do you actually love this wheel from Overtake Auto like I do? First video for the channel done. We have some trips planned, so we'll do some trips, maybe show some pickleball, some more car stuff. We'll see where this channel leads us. So see you guys in the next one.